Today is Friday, September 29th. This is the 1970 Cadillac Eldorado Original Vintage Quadrajet Rochester Carburetor. This is the 704-232, which is period correct and designated specific to the Eldorado for 1970. This is a fully restored show quality unit, colorized in the original dichromate coloring, and it's been fully restored and performance tuned specific to the 500 cubic inch 8.2 liter engine running 400 horsepower and 560 foot-pounds of torque. This will be installed into the 1970 Eldorado for my friend Keith Sterling. Absolutely beautiful. I'll go ahead and turn it over. We'll look at the underside. The unit is in pristine, immaculate, fully restored condition. And this is for my friend Keith Sterling in Washington State. Today is Friday, September 29th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 375,000 1959 through 1976 Cadillac items overall through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for the restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels with the wood grain inlay, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, power door locks, and of course these original vintage Rochester carburetors. Today is Friday, September 29th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.